Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Mount Airy Primary up against St. Paul's Primary, both from Westmoreland. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and St. Paul's Primary won and decided to go first. Now in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and they'll have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. And with that in mind, we begin with St. Paul's. Bible knowledge. Who was the father of Jesus' disciples, James and John?
John.
Would you like to try Mount Airy?
Yes, thank you.
Go ahead.
Zebedee.
Zebedee is right. Mount Airy, your question. Bible knowledge. Who was the father of Joshua?
Aaron.
Incorrect. None. Science. St. Paul's. What is the addition of harmful substances to the environment called? That's incorrect. Pollution. And you must speak up, St. Paul's. Mount Airy science. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane are described as what type of gases that help to keep the earth warm? Would you like to try, St. Paul's? Sorry?
No, thank you.
They're called greenhouse gases. Jamaican Affairs, St. Paul's. In which parish in Jamaica is most of the cockpit country located?
St. Anne.
St. Anne is incorrect. It's Trelawney. And teams, you must speak up. Jamaican Affairs, Mount Airy. In which parish in Jamaica is Moortown located?
Westmoreland.
Incorrect. Portland. English language, St. Paul's. What is the meaning of the prefix re as used in the word revive?
Again.
Again is correct. English language, Mount Airy. What is the meaning of the suffix phobia as used in the word claustrophobia?
Fear of. Fear of.
That's right. Television, St. Paul's. Which superhero is also known as the Caped Crusader?
Superman.
Sorry?
Superman.
Incorrect. Batman. Television, Mount Airy. Which superhero's alter ego is Peter Parker?
Spider-Man.
Correct. General knowledge, St. Paul's. Which bird is known as the bird of peace?
Dove.
Correct. General knowledge, Mount Airy. Which bird is known as the bird of Juno?
Peacock.
Correct. Social studies, St. Paul's. Which national hero led a Jamaican slave Baptist war in 1831?
Sam Sharp.
Sam Sharp is right. Social studies, Mount Airy. Which national hero started the Universal Negro Improvement Association, UNIA, in Jamaica?
Marcus Garvey.
That's correct. St. Paul's music. How many horizontal lines are on a staff of music?
4.
Incorrect. 5. Music, Mount Airy. How many spaces are on a staff of music?
4.
Correct. Mathematics, St. Paul's. A soccer team played 30 games and won 15. What was the team's win percentage?
35.
Incorrect. 50%. Mount Airy, mathematics. A girl scored 18 out of 25 on her math test. What was her percentage score?
40%.
Incorrect. 72%. Sports. And we don't have time for any more questions. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Mount Airy Primary on 6 and St. Paul's Primary on 3. Now please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns right after these messages.